China shit. This is not China shit. This is real Spanish brand. Certified torque wrenches, chrome vanadium steel. All what you need for your workshop. A lot of socket sets, extension bars, a lot of Torx hicks, different ratchet handles with different angles. China don't do like this. Here we have chrome molybdenum steel impact socket set, hammer spin punch set, a lot of wrenches with reverse, regular wrenches, deep offset wrenches, socket wrenches, long socket wrenches, flexible ratchet and wrenches. This is China? No, this is Spain. This is Spanish brand. A lot of screwdriver socket, T-handles, files, Torx, measuring set, pliers, and screwdrivers, magnetic. If you still think that Spanish come to us to Warsaw and see by yourself.